Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Torgerson. Well, I'm going to introduce you to Terry. She is 62 and she's in the category of sort of being in between, maybe thinking about doing something surgical or maybe not. Maybe she can get away with something injectable. Today, I'm going to show you how we can make some really significant, fresh, injectable improvements, and we're going to make her look like she's had surgery. So when we do a little bit of analysis of Terry's face, you can see that she has a little bit of hollowing around her eyes. We're going to be able to smooth and inject that out with some filler. She's also got a little bit of jowling down in this zone with some marionette lines, and we're going to basically smooth that out and really connect her anterior jawline. We're going to put just a touch of volume in her lateral cheek to give a little bit of a lift, and maybe just a dot in her lips. So get ready, this is going to be quick and amazing. So first thing we got to do is give your face a good cleanse. This is chlorhexidine. So first thing I'm going to do is actually start with the chin. And we're going to go right down to the bone, and by doing that it's going to really give and restore the volume that you've lost in the chin pad. And bring that forward. Next move is we're going to really smooth out the zone right in here. I'm going to use a cannula in this case. And that just avoids bruising and beautiful little cannula hole. So what this does is really help to establish a stronger anterior jawline. While at the same time, you can get right up into the corners here. I love this move because it really helps to strengthen right and hide and cheat the jowl. And I'm going in two different planes. Some are more superficial, some are more deep, but right now I'm in a superficial plane. Nice, let's have a good look here. Just soften that right up. Well, right now we know we're gonna put a little bit on your lips. I'm gonna get you to say, good stuff. I'll let that work. Perfect. So next move, we're just gonna put just a little bit in her cheek right here at the base of her mid-cheek line. It's just really gonna pop that up beautifully. We don't need a lot of product here. We're gonna do the eye circles now. I'm gonna again use a little bit of a cannula approach. And this is an injectable pen. Helps me to be safer and more accurate. And you can see that just lifts the cheek mound and connects it laterally. Really is a very beautiful, fresh look. My cannula is going very deep right now. And in the moment, I'm just filling up the medial SOOF region. That's a nice lifting effect. Now more where the lateral soof is. And it has the same effect. Turn your head just slightly this way. Nice. And we're just going to finish off with the lips. Say, ah. You don't want to do too much in a mature lip, but we want to be able to help to define the white red border, give her a little bit more volume so that it doesn't feel like it is getting lost. And lips are always about proportion, not size. Very nice. Beautiful. Perfect. And this has also helped with some of your lip lines there. And I love the flexibility of this pen because I can move it back and forth, side to side. Really increases the artistry ability here. Wonderful. Perfect. So very, very natural looking lip. Just going to give you a little bit of ice. Just hold that for just a second. Very good. I'm going to put this just over your eyes for a moment. And one right here. You can just take that both off for a second. This is just a nice little cooling gel that just helps to make everything go into place. Smooth everything out beautifully. Well, there we go. We have a beautiful lift. We have some beautiful connection around the eyes, a little bit of perk in her lip. We've got some nice extension and softening of her anterior jawline, and which camouflages her jowls. She looks amazing. Thanks, Terry.
Thank you.